Hello, it's Madeline with Solution Systems, and today we're going to be going over changing companies in Business Central. So first we're going to go up to the search and look up user settings. And you can see here all of the names and the companies that they are currently under on the far right side. So I am currently Madeline 1, so I am currently in the Cronus Manufacturing Company. So here you have the ability to specify which company is the user's default company. So what you can do is go to the settings and go to My Settings. And here we're under Madeline 1, so that's up at the top, and you can see the company. Now if you hit this button to the right, you can see which companies that I have access to. So now let's say I would like to change into the Cronus USA company. I would select it and then hit OK. And then as it refreshes, this will also be recognized in the user settings. So here we are in the user settings, and you can see up at the top that I'm currently in Cronus USA. And if you click on this, it'll be the same thing. It'll take you to your home page, and it will just show the exact same thing. And Business Central determines this company when I open Business Central because the system updates and it notes the last company that you're working in as the default, and it notes this from the user settings. So this will be the company that will present itself when I relaunch Business Central from this point forward. Thank you and have a great day. Reach out to Solution Systems for any questions.